That's too bad. That's a long ways down. Yeah, one more time. Let me try this again. So basically all I did was get my level line off the peak. Get my level line off the peak of that. Transfer it over to here. And then I measured equal amounts from that corner of the wall to that corner of the wall. Oh yeah. And even got it level on the first try. According to the unlevel, or what should be classified as unlevel after how many times it's been dropped. We'll even flip it over and make sure. Hell yeah. There's how we get our ridge. So anyhow, how I get the measurement here now is I measure from the top edge of this, and that'll give me my top of my 812, because that's what these dormer roofs are, is 812s, where that main roof is a 1212. And then measure down to the inside edge. Okay, so in order to get these little dormer rafters cut, these are going to be an 812 pitch. So I cut my common because I know an 812 is 33 3/4 on my chop box. So I got a nice true 812. Measure from this peak, which is the highest point that'll sit on the ridge board, and then I measure diagonal to where the inside wall was, which was 34 1/8. Then I take my framing square, and from that mark over, I do a 812, what I call a long, but I believe it's called a ridge cut. It's a horizontal cut anyhow, the long. That'll give me the 812 that I need there and there. And because I know that wall is a actual 5.5 inch thick wall, because that's store-bought material, not rough cut. I go 5.5 back, do a vertical or horizontal, vertical line up and down. And then because I want a 3.5 inch tail, I just take 3.5 inch line and go across. Got the rafters here put in. Son of a bitch. That's another trip down the ladder. I'm back. You gotta just love them little side trips up and down the ladder. Let's see what else I can drop. Over. 45. I gotta tell you, that wasn't too fun. I've always had a healthy fear of heights. And climbing this frickin' sheet up and sliding up the ladder and then up onto this roof. It was a little bit trying. But we'll get it. Just gotta go slow. It's going a little bit slow, but I'll get her. I've been up on these steep pitches and snow-covered roofs and stuff. Got to be real careful. So I'd rather take a little more time at doing it than have an issue down there. Well, it's a heck of a nice frosty morning this morning. There's a shot of the dormer that we got done yesterday. This is the one working on today. I got half the rafters in. I just cut the tails off. I'm reaching it from the ladder here. Now I got to mark out where the sheet goes and figure out the lengths and angle cut on that one I got to do. Yeah, definitely a pretty morning. Clear blue skies. There's one side of the second one. Well, we got a nice warm day out today. I had to go up and put a lighter jacket on. But as you can see, I started putting some of the ice and water shield on. This stuff doesn't really like going on until it's about 60 degrees, but we don't have much other chance, so